go to the telescope. See the bird. Oh, weird. This is the man looking for the bird. Guys. Hello. Yellow noir. Canada. Canada?
Bawal.
Morillon. Ah, por la no bomb. Oui, c'est ça. Ici. No bomb. Nous en passons au mois de mars. No bomb. Anytime we can see this bird. Prantom. Springtime, you can see this bird. Coco gris. Melanoir. This type of bird. Second blanc. And for the winter time, you see this type of bird. This type. Autumn, you see this type of bird, second block. For summertime, melon noir, iti, liti, coco green. But see too, that's all. For the birds, you can see here all these types of birds. Heron, some.